Hello, this is Samuel here. I really need a help with indicator coding. There's a very simple indicator to be coded. It is zigzag based, but not really a zigzag. It's basically high recognizable, I underline this word, recognizable highs and lows, which is then zigzag. So let me start from scratch so you get the concept. So in a nutshell, I draw trend lines from one high to one low. In this case, this is a 1 hour chart. Let's try the 4 hour chart. Okay, so with the 4 hour chart, you can go back in time. September 2017. Okay, so it is how this works. As we make a higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, before the structure changes for the candles to begin to make lower high and lower low. We have one here, one more here. Okay, I think that's it. So in other words, it's only valid, I think drawing it will paint the picture better. It's only valid when we are moving from higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low. Then the highest point within that move, and then the next one continues higher high to higher low all the way to here. Lower low to higher low to lower low, and then it continues higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price moving sideways, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low to here. Then we see the first lower high and lower low. That means that it confirms this high, of course. So when that happens, now we are searching for low. So low, but then there's a higher low, but then there's a reversal here. So it confirms this low. Then we see the higher highs and higher lows, so uptrend. So uptrending over stop hunting or anything, I don't know. So price then continues higher high until the first lower low is confirmed here. So the highest point that move is there, and then now we are looking for the first higher high and higher low so that we confirm the low for this move. So we are looking for first higher high and higher low. That is it. So that means that confirms this low as this moves low. So in a nutshell, this is how it works. So if that is our low and then these are higher high, that means that this becomes the peak, because I can see a higher low and then lower low right here. So this move was very short-lived, but it's still a move. It's valid according to this. After the first lower high and then lower low came, we have to draw the trend line to complete our zigzag for that move. So the down move also comes here until we see the first higher high and higher low. So the lowest point during that move is here. So that confirms that, and then the cycle continues. Yep. So until we have that continuation from here all the way to here. This is the first higher high and higher low, and the procedure continues. Yeah, and on and on and on and on it goes since this one confirmed. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is how it's supposed to be. I need someone to really help me with the code for this. I noticed that when you do this, you're able to see structure better, and there are some other secrets that you find out. For instance, when you go to the GU right now, and okay, so we go back in time from September 2017. Price making these patterns, you notice that anytime there's this wedge forming, there's a huge breakout. And anytime you have a low confirmation trend whereby the previous downtrend, I mean a high confirmation trend whereby the previous high trend, this low is like there's a spike, unusual spike. When you notice the range and you stretch it, you notice the price really reacts around those areas. Price normally bounces like heavily within those areas, so it's a place of interest, more or less. So this is it. I think I have to hide this. Okay, so these are the places of interest. Then seeing our structure, there's a similar one, another place of interest, and you realize that price reversed, that served as a strong resistance. Price reversed, bounced on it several times until price finally broke through it and reversed, and then it continued. So this is it. Here's a tiny one, okay, which had no effect. Okay. Okay. I also notice this, anytime you have a red candle making a higher high and a higher low, it's very suspicious. And you notice that at that level whereby a red candle or a bearish candle made a higher high and a higher low, in regards to the previous candle, you notice that that zone normally serves as a serious point of reversal or an interesting area, so to speak. Yeah, and this is also a spiky. Let's see what happened. Okay, this is also another spiky, and see what happened on these two spikies. Price just ranged between the two spikies, and then there's another one again. Price retested, broke through it, bounced on it, flip trade all the way to the top, and so on and so forth. Like, that's how this is, and it's a very simple method, but unfortunately I can't program. I'm not a MT4 programmer, and I'll love it if this indicator is programmed. Thank you very much. Shemuel here. Thanks for the time. Thanks for coding.